So today, actually, we're going beyond, we're going out of this Ikigai, we're getting into coaching. Because I thought we've already done 3 weeks of Ikigai and we'll do one more week next in February. But this is the first session of real coaching. In the days, weeks, and years to come, the amount of volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity, what's termed as the VUCA world, is just going to go on increasing in an incremental manner and in an exponential manner. Which brings us to the point of coaching, counseling, and therapy is going to become more and more prominent in these years to come. Would you want to become a life coach, very specifically an Ikigai Life Coach with a purpose and a sense of putting a passion into your clientele, into the people you come across with? Come over, join this course and become a certified Ikigai Life Coach. Yeah. So this is very good if you, as an icebreaker, but I'll not waste time around this. I'll anyway give you these slides. You can use it if ever you're doing a program, both either online or offline with a new group. This is very good as an icebreaker. Your name and its meaning, journey, the picture that depicts you and why, etc. And an expectation that you have from the program. Something which we can do right at the start, which I didn't. I did in a different way. So this is just a couple of slides around that. Let's get to the core topic. And the first question is the most important factor that can lead to a sustained and successful relationship as a leader and as a human being. And it's a very simple answer. Any of you have any answers? Trust, okay.
Being
Kindness.
humble.
Kindness, trust.
Being humble.
Being humble.
Respect.
Respect, okay.
The values of relationship.
Values of relationship, okay.
The care.
Yeah, good. I think all of them are right, but we have a very simple answer, and which is the art of listening. Okay, the art of listening really well.